Hi guys, so these are my favorite garden gloves and I like them because they have claws. So if I'm out in a garden, I have this side, I can plant my actual plants in the ground or my seeds. And this side, I can actually just dig a hole for whatever I'm planting, which is very crucial to me. There is no particular size guide. It's kind of like a one size fit all, but my hands are large and they fit very well. They're very stretchy. Okay. The claws are made of plastic. They're only on these 4 fingers. I'm going to take you outside so you can see them in action. All right, you guys, we are outside. I am just going to put my gloves on and start digging around in my mess of a garden. I promise I will get this straightened out soon. But yeah, you just put on the gloves, and with the claw hand, you dig around as you need. And with the left hand, you manipulate what you need. Simple as that.